Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix these errors in your Red Dead Redemption 2 in your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your Windows Defender, alright, or Windows Security. Click on your Windows Start menu over here, type in Windows Security, click on it, and then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Over here, basically the simple explanation is that your Windows security is blocking a certain file in your Red Dead Redemption folder. So we just need to make sure that your Windows security will not recognize this file as a threat. So go ahead, click on Virus and Threat Protection and click on Protection History. It will show that file on this section. All right, click on it. Then you should be able to see this file. Just make sure to double check that this is actually from the Red Dead Redemption folder. And then just go ahead, click on actions, and then click on the appropriate action needed. All right. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Go ahead, restart your game, and everything should now be working smoothly as ever. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.